What's up, guys? Got a couple Polaris 90s here. Basically in the video, one of them had a broken frame we had to get fixed. We put a new carburetor on one and we cleaned the carburetor on the other. And then we ripped them. So you guys check out how we tuned them up. And be sure and hit that subscribe button, guys. We appreciate you. Lots more videos coming. All right, sweet marketplace score, guys. Predator 90. Show them that back shock, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Freaking Orion blew it out trying to do BMX stunts. Okay. Dilapidated. 2-stroke 90cc. Dang, we got to get it running and race it with one of those 125s.
Oh, yeah.
I guess we're going to see if it'll start. Has reverse, too. Check that out. So when it cranks like that and it ain't been sitting long enough to kill a battery. You got the fuel on?
No.
Dang, bro. That looks like some urine. It's supposed to be 2-stroke gas, too. I mean, well, unless he's got his bottle on there still. Got the carburetor off of this marketplace fine. Let's see what's in that bowl. Dun, 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 dun. Give her a smack with the drill. Pistol whip it with the drill a little bit. You gotta, a lot of people don't know the back there. Milwaukee's has a hammer on it. Orion was holding it funny. You hold it like this if you really want to hammer.
Yeah.
And watch your eye.
Yeah. There you go.
Not too bad. The needle was stuck. Try to move that float. Oh, it's moving.
Yeah, that's good.
Just wasn't getting fuel through. Yeah, man, look how dirty all this is back here.
Yeah, Chris.
It's gonna have to be cleaned up, guys. This thing will be running. You see that little hole that you asked what that was on the airbox? Can you put your thumb over it or something? So, here's where we are on the Polaris. Got it running perfect. Orion went and sent it. Freaking Orion tried to do the driveway jump. Busted the frame in half. Blew the shock out. I told you I broke a swing arm on one, dude. Damn, the whole frame broke. So we're pulling these plastics off. We got a full, this is a back end we've never done a rear end rebuild. Yeah. That's pretty much what this is going to be. It's spinal. This thing's kind of got a back issue. I don't want to get into the specifics, but basically it's spinal. So, yeah. I think we won't be able to sleeve it because of where it broke. Well, we're gonna fix that. Gots to. Get that fixed, get the shock fixed, and then put her back together. Did you mashing it? Dang, dude. What a piece of garbage. You were riding it the other day. It's like, oh, we thought the shock was blown out. We weren't wrong. No wonder the freaking plastic tabs ripped out.
Yeah.
Damn.
Just pulled it out. That was his suspension.
Yeah. So we're going to try and square her up and put some tacks on this sucker and weld her up. Spinal. Old Polaris, huh? We'll fix that right up. It's got to be broke somewhere else too, right? I mean, you would think it's bent somewhere else, but it ain't broke. Dang, fellers. We thought it was just the shock, but
The exhaust isn't busted.
it's the shock and the pow. Pow! What are you going to do? We're going to try and hammer it out. We're going to heat and beat it. It's fixed now. Fixed it. Got the shock fixed. Got the spine fixed. It's going back on, I guess. Go too crazy. We took her and got her backbone fixed and the shock fixed, guys. We fixed the motor. We fixed all of it, so she should be good to go now. But Orion wants to really know. He tests these out so that Kids don't have to be the first ones to ride them. Flat tires and all. How many flats you got, dog? How many flats you got? 3? Whoa!
That's pretty torquey, dude. Yeah. Nice.
Got these 2 Polaris 90s. About to clean up, get going, get running and riding, and then ride them real quick and see what's what. Pretty steep, dog. Nice. Careful, dog. Hell yeah. Oh, dude, look at the big ass stump under you. Oh, I ain't got reverse. Basically, that's that, guys. Couple good runners and fun quads. I mean, for all ages. So get up in there. We got lots more coming this month. Appreciate you.